Folks, big time, major. It is the time. What could be the most important time of the year for price action leading into the immediate future. We're talking the Fed cut, the rate cut, and my lordy, are we seeing some stuff on the charts? We're back from vacation and ready to roll. Taking a look on the hourly stroll. Bitcoin hourly money flow is curving up. The hourly money flow is curving up with a wound tight dual band RSI right here coming up. Momentum to big boy, bit boy, green dots, momentum, anchor wave, trigger wave coming up. It's coming up, boy. The curvature on the candles. Curvature on the candles. The 4 hour momentum pinching over. Momentum is pinching to the upside. Now the VWAP oscillation it's almost got its own anchor trigger, and it's kind of a straight. We like to see outwardly curved. We'd like to see outwardly curved for super confirmed, super violated violence to the upside. We're talking Diddy party. We're about to have a Diddy party where, you know what? That's what I think the Fed cut's going to be, a Diddy party. Man, this starts out pretty cool. Oh shit, rate cut, all profit taking time. Boom! Oh man, it got real weird real fast. I think this is so. Well, I'm not going to say what I'm thinking. I'm just going to say what I'm doing. Well, I can show you better than I can tell you. So let me show you. I am long at 58,107 for $5.7 million. I might increase this trade. I might increase the size. But when the time starts getting closer, I'm going to start splaying out some stop losses during survival. I'm talking while I'm in the trade, especially now because I need to take a couple naps here. I just got back from a great weekend, partying at the casino in Vegas. And I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. I still could use a little more rest, but this is the day. I'm thinking Fed cut, Diddy party, stone cold survival as it's ever been. Where it'll go, I don't know. Maybe it won't be a Diddy party. Maybe it'll just be a normal party where we have a good time, we long, and maybe there is no profit take. But I am so going to be protected and prepared. I'm going to be wearing the garlic necklace so that if it ends up being a Diddy party, the butt vampires don't come for me. We are still at a lower high. We're still in this trend. And we're still at a local top with inklings on the lower time frames that we're just coming into an upward move. Although we have the mid hourly time frames backing us up. The 4 hour, what's the 2 hour looking like? The 2 hour, we do have dual band big boy bit boy green dots on the 2 hour. Momentum is it's coming up. It's still heavy down. The 2 hour is look at the dual band strength index. The dual band strength index have been increasing in bull numbers really strong right now to a -5. It's been the same thing on the hourly. It's been a steady increase. The weekly. Now, the weekly, we do have VWAP oscillation. Momentum might be clipping. I mean, this is still a bearish weekly. There's no doubt about it. This to me If there was no Fed cut, if there was no fundamental stuff happening, if tomorrow and the next day were just normal days, I would say, okay, this candle comes up a little bit and then probably just continues down. So we have to take in consideration the fundamentals. Look at the daily. The daily has momentum clipping, although this VWAP oscillation has a slight inward flux at the end there, an inward flux where it started out outward and then, oh, it's kind of switching. So we might, and this momentum wave on this daily does look kind of weird. It looks like it might switch coming on that fundamental analysis, that rate cut. So we'll see if this fails or if this comes through. But we have to stay focused on the earlier time frames right now. The 8-hour VWAP coming up, the momentum is trying to inwardly curve. I know it's hard to see, but it is there. Little doji candles on the standards or the Heikens. What about the standards? Looks a little more bullish. Yeah, fundamentally, I mean, we're leaning on the fundamentals, but I gotta get in. I gotta get in on the long here. Gonna splay out some stops and take little naps with one eye open. Should be an interesting day. Tomorrow, it's not even today yet. Today is not even tomorrow yet. So let time go by. If I'm gonna add more, I'm gonna look to add more if the price can come down a little bit. Although we've had a nice little pull back here. The dual band strength index is, what the heck is going on here? Okay, the dual band strength index, it's kind of pulling back to an average of this price action. These candles are kind of interesting. This is we're seeing like it's trying to form those pumps smooth when the candles go smooth into a parabolic pump. Like it's trying to form that right now. So I can tell you what I think, or I can tell you what I'm doing. So I just told you both. Good luck. Wear your garlic necklace.